I'm Anil Kumar, and in these set of videos we will learn how to apply distributive property. Question here is, expand each of the following. We have 3 times 3a plus 5 minus 4x times 2x minus 3. Then we have minus 3 times x plus 3. And we have minus 2 times 3 minus 5a. There are some extra brackets. Let me remove them first. So, sorry for this typing error. Now let us see how to apply the distributive property. When we say 3 times, there are 2 terms inside the bracket. That means we will multiply first 3 by 3a and then we'll multiply 3 by 5. Now when you multiply a term which has variable and a constant as its coefficient, in that case constants get multiplied together and variables get multiplied together. In this case, it should be 3 times 3a plus 3 times 5. So when the distributive property is applied, that is what we get. 3 times the first term, 3a, and 3 times the second term, 5. Now we can multiply. 3 times 3 is 9, so we get 9a plus 3 times 5 is 15. So that is how distributive property is used. Now let's do the next one. Here we'll multiply minus 4x with 2x and then minus 4x with minus 3. And let us see what we get. So the first term should be minus 4x times 2x, and the second term should be minus 4x times minus 3. See, this 3 is with negative sign. Now, minus times plus is negative. 4 times 2 is 8. X times x is x squared. So that is what we get. Minus times minus is positive. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we get x. So it is minus 8x squared plus 12x. Correct? Let's do some more, right? This time it is minus 3 times x plus 3, right? So minus 3 gets multiplied by x, so we get minus 3 times x plus minus 3 times 3, right? So which is equals to minus 3x minus 9. You can take this as your practice. Pause the video, solve and check with my answer. What should we get? We should get minus 2 times 3. Then we have minus 2 times minus 5a, correct? So minus 2 times 3 will give us minus 6. Negative times negative is positive. 2 times 5 is 10. 10a. So that is how we can expand using distributive property. You should note that if there are 2 terms inside the bracket, then in the answer also you get 2 terms, right? So that is how it should be. Thank you, and let's move forward and do some more questions using distributive property. Thank you.